Welcome to today's cardio workout. Let's get started. It's okay to pause, then keep going.
Rachetón, ya me tomé una botella, el más rap. Ey, un poquito bien, ando bien mal. Ey, un shot de tequila, dos shots de tequila, tres shots de tequila. Vente mami, vamos a pelear. Un shot de tequila, dos shots de tequila, tres shots de tequila. Vente mami, vamos a pelear. Ando bien pedo, vete, dame lo que quiero. Mami, yo te meto un dedo en la discoteca. Mami, yo no soy una feca. Dame eso pa' comerte como cena. Yo soy real, yo te voy a perrear. Si hacemos un video en el internet viral, yo te voy a quebrar, yo te voy a amar. Hacemos OnlyFans y tú tienes que pagar. Cause she knows what I like. Se pone las rodillas y le canta a mi mic. Tú eres una loca, baby, please don't bite. Se pone bien bellaca and she wants it all night, all night. Un shot de tequila, dos shots de tequila, tres shots de tequila. Vente mami, vamos a pelear. Un shot de tequila, dos shots de tequila, tres shots de tequila. Vente mami, vamos a pelear. Poco, quiere que le sube a la nota. Tequila y un poco de pone bien loca, tú eres mamazota. Le jalo el pelo y la en el suelo. Ese también dulce caramelo. Con un shot y masita de hielo, te lleva para el cielo. Ay,
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, the best bad thing that has Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. This is my first transformation photo. When I first started working out, I couldn't do one push-up on my knees. Eventually, I was able to do 100 push-ups. My next transformation was my journey to getting six-pack abs. I naturally store a lot of fat on my belly area, and also I love bread. And then my booty transformation. I'm a mom, so I had to work with what I had, and that is where my love for glute bridges was born. If you ever do my booty fix program, which is available in my app, you will see that there's a lot of glute bridges in there. That's a little bit of my journey. Let's continue with the workout.
We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time. 'Cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over. Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in the way you eyes, so I can't let you go.
You are almost at the end of this workout.
You give me feelings. I wanna be with you, There is nothing I can do to make it go away. I'm in love with you, baby, and my love is here to stay. Love is a dangerous thing when my hands are trembling. Will you fall into me? It means more than anything.
If you want more, click the link in the description to get your free 5-day workout plan.